Okay, the first thing I need to do when I am going to interpolate the elevation of these edge of pavement points is I need to zoom in. So I'm going to get these labels. First, I'm going to give them all a background mask. And use the drawing background color, because what I'm going to do is move them. I'm going to make sure I'm in ortho mode, taking off my snaps. But I'm in ortho mode, so they'll all stay right where they need to be. Okay, so now when I zoom in, I can actually see which ones I am talking about. And I think I will actually move these ones down as well. So let's isolate. And then unisolate. There, regenerate. So I need to estimate the elevation of that point and that point. I actually don't really need these. So I think what I will do is select these and isolate them. There we go. All right, so at 10 plus 0, 0 on the left, this is 120, 21, 22, 23 is way up there, so I'm going to say 22.5. One, actually on both sides. This is a tedious process, but it's still faster than doing all that math. So that's 121, and this is 122. Then in the middle is actually 121.5. So that would be 121.25. And if this is 22, then that's actually 122.5. And if that's 120, then in the middle is 120.5, really. I'm going to go ahead and extend all of these just to make it easier on myself. Now, here's an interesting case. They're so close together. I mean, they're only a half a foot apart, but I want to indicate the direction of the slope. So I'm just going to be arbitrary and take off 1/100th.